Many Audi drivers don't realize how much hidden technology is working every day beneath the surface of their car. Predictive systems, invisible sensors, intelligent algorithms, and functions that no salesperson truly explains. Today, we discover the lesser-known modern Audi technologies that can completely change the driving experience. If you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel. Every week, we discover hidden features that almost no one explains. And stay until the end, because I'll show you 3 exclusive bonuses: a hidden technology that protects the turbo engine, a camera-based function that can prevent parking accidents, and the most misinterpreted Audi warning light. We'll see them at the end. This is one of Audi's most advanced systems, and at the same time, one of the least understood. It combines high-precision GPS, 3D maps with real elevation data, upcoming curves and roundabouts, connected traffic lights, upcoming speed limits, real-time traffic behavior. The result is impressive. Before the driver realizes it, the Audi reduces the speed in advance, stops accelerating before a limit change, increases energy regeneration on descents, gently brakes before sharp curves. Many drivers think the car reacts too much. In reality, the predictive assist is optimizing consumption, comfort, and safety. Many people believe that Presense is just automatic emergency braking. In reality, it is a much more advanced system. The system analyzes the front camera, side radars, rear radars, the relative speed of nearby vehicles, possible side or rear impacts. When it detects a risk, Audi automatically closes the windows, tightens the seat belts, pre-charges the brakes, temporarily stiffens the suspension, prepares the airbags. All this happens silently, often without the driver noticing. It is a digital safety shield that prevents countless accidents without becoming visible. Audi is a world leader in intelligent lighting technology. The digital matrix headlights are true light projectors. Hundreds of micro-LEDs are individually controlled. Perfect shadow zones are created around other vehicles. Only the necessary areas of the road are illuminated. The light beam follows the movement of the steering wheel. The intensity adapts to rain and weather. In some market, symbols can be projected onto the asphalt. Many owners still use them as simple automatic lights, without taking full advantage of their potential. These suspensions not only raise or lower the car. The front camera analyzes deteriorated asphalt, speed bumps, unevenness, and irregularities. The control unit adjusts each wheel before reaching the obstacle, making the car more comfortable, more stable, quieter. At highway speeds, the car automatically lowers its height to reduce consumption and aerodynamic noise. Audi's MMI system includes many functions that most drivers never use: handwriting recognition for full words, adjustable haptic feedback, gestures that open hidden menus, customizable shortcuts by long pressing icons, advanced climate controls. Approximately 70% of owners never customize these settings and only use the main screen. This little-known technology allows Audis to communicate with other Audis in the same network: smart traffic lights, urban traffic systems, road hazard alerts, ice warnings, broken down vehicles ahead. In some European cities, it even suggests the ideal speed to find green traffic lights without stopping. When you are about to open the door, Audi can detect approaching cyclists or vehicles, activate LED warning lights, make the door handle vibrate, physically delay opening in advanced versions. It is a little-known function, but extremely effective in urban environments. The virtual cockpit can display full-screen navigation, regeneration data in hybrids, real oil temperature, engine load information, advanced consumption graphics, performance-oriented layouts. Most drivers only use 2 views, without knowing all its customization potential. This advanced system manages cooling fans, coolant flow, battery temperature, engine oil temperature. It anticipates driver behavior, increases cooling before long climbs, reduces oil temperature in sporty driving, protects the hybrid battery in warm climates. This significantly prolongs the life of mechanical and electrical components. Audi does not limit itself to keeping the car within the lane. Advanced versions recognize worn lane lines, follow the trajectory of the vehicle ahead, make gentle steering corrections on the highway, adapt the intervention force according to road conditions, naturally reduce speed before roundabouts. It is one of the most advanced systems and also one of the least understood. After demanding driving, Audi keeps the cooling systems active to protect the turbo and oil. Never turn off the engine immediately. This system protects very expensive components. The Audi front camera can detect not only obstacles, but also children, animals, and low objects. If detected, the car automatically limits speed during parking. The yellow steering wheel light does not indicate a malfunction. It signals a temporary reduction in steering assistance, usually after repeated maneuvers with the steering wheel turned to the maximum. It usually disappears on its own. These are the modern Audi technologies that most owners don't know about. Intelligent systems that improve safety, comfort, efficiency, and the vehicle's lifespan. In the next episode, we will enter the world of BMW and discover equally surprising technologies.